I'm Professor Philip. This is a bit more explanation of the dialectical process of reasoning. Let me describe it in simplest terms to begin with. In thinking about some matter upon which a person needs to make a decision or a judgment, before doing so, all alternatives are considered. And in considering those alternatives, the strengths and weaknesses of each are taken into account. Upon review, one alternative may appear to be stronger than others, in which case that one alternative must be weighed in terms of the criticisms made of that position from the perspective of the other alternatives that were initially rejected. A person ought to be able to defend that, let's call it the preferred position, in light of the criticisms made against it, and to explain why the alternatives were rejected. The dialectical process is entered into by a single individual, but it's best entered into in community, with others, in conversation, in dialogue, where each position that is offered is considered as a hypothesis to be well considered using critical analysis and reasoning. Wherever possible, evidence is brought forward in support of claims that are made and in consideration of criticisms. The position that is arrived at should not be inconsistent with or contradicted by evidence, or inconsistent with and contradicted by other principles which one holds. So, the dialectical process is a process that involves logic, reasoning, and communal discourse in an effort to arrive at the most well-considered, best possible position at the particular time during which the process is taking place. With ethics, ethical principles are introduced in support of positions, ideas about what makes an action good or contrariwise not good, along with human values that are held by individuals and by entire communities in order to arrive at a conclusion as to what the morally best alternative is in any situation. The dialectical process.